This money is actually coming predominantly from treasury securities.
I say think big and start small.
Sure enough, you can buy a house and it was cheaper than what the rent was, or about the same.
Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jesse Fragale, and for the last 10 years, I've been a real estate investor and broker in the commercial real estate space. And for the last 2 years, I've been putting out videos for the BiggerPockets YouTube channel as a contributor. So that's what this channel is gonna be about. I'm gonna be putting out content related to, you guessed it, real estate investing. The content here will be applicable whether you're buying your first rental property or trying to scale your portfolio. I'll also try to mix in some interviews that I've done on my podcast, which if you want to check that out, type in Working Capital, the Real Estate Podcast, wherever you listen to podcasts. Lastly, if there's an area in real estate that you'd like to see a video about, shoot me a message, and if I have the skill set, I'd be happy to oblige. So if that sounds like content that you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and I'll keep them coming.